Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto Bradley YT. Welcome back to another crypto video. So today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and XRP again. Let's get straight into it basically. Sorry that I didn't post yesterday. I had a very busy day and I had no time at all to post. So I need to get back to it basically. So I'll be posting every day again. I am working away from tomorrow. I'm working up north of the UK. So I'll be away for the whole week, but I'll be taking a laptop and I'll be trying to make some videos for you guys still during the week. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. Bitcoin on the 45-minute chart. We are in a ascending wedge at the moment for Bitcoin. So obviously we did drop all the way down to about $18,000. I'm quite glad that we did bounce back up towards the upside and we're closing above these supports up here. So yeah, we're just in this uptrend at the moment. We are looking fairly bullish on the 45-minute chart. We're having a pump towards the upside. It would be nice if we can close above this support level, this resistance level here of $20,200. Excuse me. And I did think that we created a double top here, but we didn't, because usually with a double top you pump towards the upside, back down, back up, back down, but you need to sort of match what happened before, and we obviously broke through that a little bit, so I assume that's not a double top anymore because we are pumping back towards the upside, or we're creating a triple top. I mean, we'll see what happens in the next sort of few hours or by tomorrow. So yeah, it would be nice if we can continue this uptrend, and yeah, we will obviously see what happens with Bitcoin. We are in a bearish flag pattern down here on the 45-minute chart. Bear with me. So basically, yeah, we're on a bearish flag pattern here on the 45-minute chart. If we do break towards the upside and we do close above it in the next sort of 20 minutes to half an hour or so, then we could be pumping back towards the upside above this support level here, this resistance level here, and we could be coming back up to these levels here of about $20,800. And then obviously at that point we would be ticking bullish on the RSI down here. Obviously the MACD is not looking bullish just yet, but as long as we tick bullish on the RSI and we do close above this bearish flag pattern on the 45-minute chart, then we should be fine for a pump towards the upside to about $20,800. If we do that, then that means that we might be creating a triple top pattern. I know there's a lot of lines, just bear with me. So we'll use obviously this line here as the sort of top part of the triple top, and this part as sort of like the bottom here. So what we are doing is we have obviously pumped up into this sideways sort of movement here, so we come up, down, and if we do tick bullish here, then we do come back up again, we could see Bitcoin coming back down to about these levels here of about $19,800. That's just me preempting what's going to happen, but it does look a bit like a triple top is forming, so we may come down, break back through this support level once we get above it, and probably drop back down a little bit further, but hopefully we don't drop. Hopefully it's not. I'm hoping it's not a triple pattern forming. I'm hoping that we stay in this uptrend basically, but we will see what happens. Let's move on to the 1 hourly. If we move to the 1 hourly chart, as you can see, we are still in this uptrend and we could be ticking bullish. I mean, we are on track to be ticking bullish on the 1 hourly chart, but we need to wait a couple of hours for more of a pump towards the upside. But we again, we are in a bearish flag pattern on the 1 hourly. So if we look here and we look here, basically the pump towards the upside would be, again, about the same, about $20,700 to $20,800. That would be nice if we can do that. If we do break out of this bullish flag pattern, we need to close above it as well to be able to get that pump towards the upside that we would like to see. As you can see, my charts are very messy at the moment. It's because I've just been trying to trade and I've just been drawing every single pattern I've seen. I have tried to delete some to make it a little bit clearer to make this video for you guys. But yeah, as long as we stay in this uptrend here, we should be fine for continuation. But we need to be closing above this support level here, really, of $20,200. We need to close above this resistance level here, obviously, and make it a support level, and then we could hopefully sort of trade up towards the upside here. So if we break out of this bullish flag pattern, hopefully we can start coming back up here, then probably get rejected, then come back down here to this sort of support level here on this ascending wedge of about $20,500. If we do that, then hopefully we can just keep on doing this pattern here of trading sideways, come back down to support, come back up, come back down to support here, come back up, and then sort of just slowly go upwards in this ascending wedge. That would be nice if we can do that, but only time will tell. We need to see if we can tick bullish first and break outside of this bearish flag pattern that we're currently in. If we move towards the 4-hourly chart, as you can see, we're still in this ascending wedge, but we may be ticking bearish fairly soon on the 4-hourly. We've probably got about an hour and a no. Is that 1.5 minutes? Yeah. If we close below this support level here on the 4-hourly chart, then we probably would be coming back down to about $19,800. And if we tick bearish on the RSI, we could be breaking out of this ascending wedge. So that means that we'll probably be coming back down to around this support level here of about $19,000, which obviously is what we don't want to be seeing. Yeah, because we could be ticking bearish on the MACD and the RSI in the next few hours if we don't get that pump towards the upside. So if we don't break out of the bearish flag pattern on the 45-minute and the 1-hourly and getting that pump that we would like to see and tick bullish on the RSI, then we would probably be going back towards the downside, unfortunately. If on the 4-hourly, if we still get some more selling pressure, then we probably may be breaking out of this ascending wedge pattern that we currently are in. If we do that, then that wouldn't be great, but we kind of need to close above the support level here of about $20,200. If we move towards a daily, that's the weekly, don't want that. So the daily, as you can see, we are still in this ascending wedge. The RSI is not looking too bad. I mean, the MACD is looking very bearish. If we close below this support level here on the daily of $20,200, then we may be going back down towards the downside. Probably coming back down to around either mid-level here of $19,500 or about $19,000. We could be doing that if we don't close above the support level. We might fall back down to the next support level below. That's what I'm thinking at this moment in time. Obviously, Bitcoin's everyone's quite scared at the moment, and it's just been trading sideways, and obviously we've dropped all the way down to about $18,000, which is what no one expected really. So yeah, as you can see here as well on the 4-hourly, we have just created a bearish flag pattern here. If we break towards the downside of this, only if this candle closes, so it's got to close in the next 4 hours to create this bearish flag pattern, but I'm just preempting what's happening. If we stay between these two levels here and then we close, then that will mean that we've created a bearish flag pattern. If we break towards the downside, then the downside potential would be this red candle here, which would obviously mean that we come back down to support. So that might be quite a likely scenario, only if we sort of tick bearish on the daily chart and we do sort of close below the support level here of $20,200. If we do that on the daily, then we may be breaking towards the downside of this bearish flag pattern on the 4-hourly, and we might be coming back down to support here, because obviously we have had a pump towards the upside from $17,700. So we probably quite likely be coming back down to support, and we might get some selling pressure. That's what I think at this moment in time. If we look at this green candle here, this would be the potential towards the upside. If we do close above this bearish flag pattern here, we could be coming back up to around these levels here really, of about $21,200. That's only if we close above the bearish flag pattern on the 4-hourly, but we just need to see what happens really. So yeah, that's it for Bitcoin at this moment in time. XRP, same sort of thing. Let's draw the ascending wedge pattern. So that's the support level in this ascending wedge. And this is a broadening wedge actually. So as you can see here, we're currently in a broadening wedge. Now let me put it there. So yeah, this is a broadening wedge at this moment in time for XRP. So obviously we are very close to this support level here of about 31.5 cents. If we do break below this, then we probably will be coming back down to this support level here of 30.5 cents. You could kind of say that we might be coming back down to this sort of local support here. This is around sort of 31 cents. So if we do break towards the downside here, we might come back down to here first, and then probably bounce off. Or we could break through and come back down to this support level here of 30.5 cents. So if we do that, then I mean it's not the end of the world, but it would be nice to see XRP actually go up for once. But yeah, RSI is not looking too good on the 45 minute, and the MACD is not looking too good either. So we could be breaking towards the downside of this broadening wedge. And let's head towards the 1 hourly chart. If you head towards the 1 hourly chart, obviously we are still in this broadening wedge pattern. And like I said with Bitcoin, it does kind of look like we were in a double top pattern, but obviously this went a bit higher, so I don't think it's a double top pattern anymore, to be honest. But this is what I kind of look for. You sort of see these two levels here and the bottom level here. So we could be doing what I've said we might be doing for Bitcoin. We could be creating a triple top pattern where you come up, come down, and then back up. And then once you hit this point here, you will then come back down to this sort of level here of about 31.5 cents. That's what I'm seeing at the moment. Let's head towards the 1 hourly chart, 4 hourly chart, sorry. We are in this broadening wedge still, and we are about to break towards the downside on the 4 hourly, and we are about to tick bearish on the RSI. So we could be seeing some bearish action at this moment in time. MACD could be coming back down and ticking bearish fairly soon. And it does look like we've created a double top pattern here on the 4 hourly as well. So we've obviously come up, come down, back up, obviously hit the same level, and now we're coming back down, and we could be closing below this ascending wedge, like this ascending broadening wedge. So we probably could be coming back down to about 30.5 cents fairly soon. This will be over the next sort of few hours or by early morning. So yeah, XRP is looking a little bit bearish at the moment. If we move towards the daily chart could be ticking bearish fairly soon. And again, if we close below this support level up here of 33.5 cents, then obviously we probably be coming back down like we have done here. We've come down, traded sideways, gone up, come back down. We need to probably come back down and close on this support here of 30.5 cents. So basically, my prediction for XRP at this moment in time, I feel like we could be ticking bearish, and we could be coming back down to about 30.5 cents. That's my prediction for XRP. If we head over to Bitcoin, Bitcoin could be ticking bearish fairly soon, and we could be coming back down to this support level here of about $19,000. I do hope that this doesn't happen. Obviously, it's just been nice to see Bitcoin finally pump towards the upside a little bit, but we'll see what happens. If you guys would like to check out my previous videos, I will be trying to post as much as I can this week whilst I'm working away, but I'll be doing quite a few hours, a lot of driving. Basically, I'm working about 7 or 8 hours away from where I live, so it'll be a busy week, but I'll be taking a laptop anyway, and I'll try and make as many videos as I can and try and post daily still for you guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Obviously it's not really like a happy bullish video for Bitcoin or XRP, but I'm just reading the charts and I'm just predicting what I think is going to happen. So I'm hoping it doesn't happen. Like we're seeing a green candle start to form on the 4 hourly now. I'm hoping that we do start to tick bullish, and then we start to break out of this bearish flag pattern. Once we do that, then we'll be coming back up to these levels here of about $21,000 to $21,200. That would be nice, but I will post on Twitter as well to let you guys know if things change. And I hope you like the video. I'll see you guys on the next one tomorrow. Peace.